Hello friends, in our last lecture we discussed about uh, multiplication of two integers, and we have also discussed about signed integers and unsigned integers and how both algorithm work with uh, both in both cases, signed integer cases and unsigned integer cases. Today we are going to discuss about the principle of division of two numbers. I hope you remember how you can divide one number by another number. The number which you are dividing, that will be called as dividend. The number and the number which you are dividing by is called as divisor. Okay, here you can see uh, this is your dividend and this is your divisor and this is your quotient and this is your remainder. You must be remembering all these things: what is divisor, what is dividend, what is quotient, and what is remainder. But all of this you have dealt with in decimal format. Today we are going to discuss about how we can divide two binary numbers, how we can divide one binary number by another binary number. Okay, so here we have this as our dividend. This is 147, and we are dividing it by 11. Okay, if you can calculate, you will see this is 147 and this is 11. Now what we do in our division is, at first we check, we start from one digit. In the same way we are also going to start with one bit in this case. So let's check first bit and compare it with the divisor. One is not greater than the divisor, so we are going to put this as 0, and we are going to take second bit. Okay, and remember, in this case we start from the left side. Then we have taken first two bits. Now check whether this number is greater than the divisor. No, so again you have to put 0. Take the third bit. Again, see, this is 100. This is again not greater than 1011. So again we have put 0 here. Now take the fourth bit. This is 1001. That means this is 9. Okay, so 9 is again not greater than 11. So again we have put 0. Now take this fifth bit. 10010. Okay, this is 18, right? So this number is greater than 11. Now we can subtract this 1011 from this 5-bit number. Okay, so we are going to perform this subtraction here. And as this number is bigger, greater than the divisor, we have put here bit 1. Okay, now after performing the subtraction, I hope you know how to perform the subtraction. You can either take 2's complement of this number and add it, or you can perform the traditional subtraction. So this is 0 minus 1 will be 1, and borrow 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Okay, so this is the partial remainder you have got, 0 0 1 1 1. So 0 minus 1 will be 1 with borrow 1. Uh, Again 1 minus 1 will be 0, and 0 minus 1 will be 1, and again borrow 1. Okay, so 0 minus 1 will be 1 and borrow 1. So here 1 minus 1 will be 0. And again there will be a borrow generated. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Okay, so this is the partial remainder you have got. Then you are going to take the next bit here. So what number you have right now? 1110. Now check whether this number is greater than your divisor. So yes, it is greater than the divisor. So again, we are going to subtract the divisor from this partial remainder. Okay. Now perform the subtraction again here. 0 minus 1 will be 1. Uh, Borrow 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0, and 0 minus 1 will be again 1. Borrow 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. So this is the partial remainder generated. 0, 0, 1, 1. Now check whether this is greater than divisor. It is not. Now take the next bit. 111. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is again not greater than the divisor. So what we have done here is we have put 0 here. Okay. Now take the next bit. Now check whether this is greater than the divisor. Yes, it is greater than divisor. So we are going to put here 1. Okay. And again we have performed the subtraction. 1 minus 1 will be 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. 1 minus 0 will be 1. And 1 minus 1 will be again 0. So as all the bits are covered, you can see the division is completed. And now you can see here, this is your remainder, this is your quotient, whatever you have got. And if you convert these into decimal numbers, you will know this is the accurate division. Now in our next lecture, what we are going to do is we are going to learn uh, an algorithm for performing the division of two numbers, and how that algorithm can deal with signed and unsigned integers. That also we are going to study in our next lecture. Okay, we'll stop here. Thank you.